Matching riders and drivers seems like it should be easy. Don't they just match the closest rider with the closest driver? Today, we're going to talk to some folks at Uber to find out how it's done. Hi, Avanish. Thank you for taking the time to chat with me today. Does Uber always match the closest rider with the closest driver?
Not always. Short pickup times are really important to riders and drivers, but that doesn't always mean the closest match. At Uber, we believe in increasing reliability, and to do that, we need to optimize for the network as a whole, not for any one individual rider or driver.
So why isn't the nearest rider the easiest?
Well, maybe a good way to answer that is to look back at how Uber started. In the early days, it was exactly that. Uber tried to match you with the closest driver, and this really was the closest driver as the crow flies. But cars aren't crows, and they run into one-way streets and rivers and bridges. So over time, we built our own mapping team, and we started looking for the closest driver based on the expected time for that driver to get to you. This accounts for those one-way streets and those bridges, and it even accounts for real-time traffic. And we didn't just stop there. We built a system that optimized for the entire rideshare network.
How did you do that?
The best person to help us with that is our matching scientist, Owen.
So, Owen, I was just at the office talking with Avanish, but I have some more questions, and he told me to meet you here.
So if you want to learn about the matching system, the best thing to do is to come to where it works, right here out on the road. So imagine it's a busy Tuesday morning. We've got rider A over here, rider B over here. They're both trying to get to a meeting, and they request rides through the Uber app. Driver A is matched to rider A 2 minutes away. However, driver B is frustrated. They're matched to rider B 9 minutes away. This leaves a total of 11-minute wait time in the system. So what can we do differently? If we held off a second and waited to see what else was possible for rider A, we could end up noticing that they could be matched with driver B 4 minutes away. This frees up driver A to match with rider B, also 4 minutes away. This leaves a total of 8 minutes wait time in the system, down from 11, saving 3 minutes. It's called batch matching when we do this. When we run this across our entire rideshare network, we're saving years of time every day. So lower wait times for riders and a more reliable experience, and also more time earning for drivers.
Is that what's happening when you wait for an Uber pool ride?
In fact, in Express Pool, we go even further. Riders wait up to a couple of minutes, and they get a much better route that's more efficient at a much lower price point.
Thanks for taking me through it, Owen.
You're welcome.
Delivering reliable matching for riders and drivers. That's what moves us.